In this video, I'm going to show you how to do data analysis using Grok AI. Okay, Grok is free, but if you want the beta version, you can subscribe. Now, I have two charts in tables that I want to analyze directly in form of images. So I can just come over to this. I can still upload a file, and I can just go to my downloads. I just have them here. This one, okay, it's a chart and it's a table, a sales report. Okay, so I can just bring it in and I can ask, can you give me a detailed explanation about this data and the charts? Give me 3 conclusions from it. Okay, so you can just go ahead and enter and let us see how good this is going to be in reading and analyzing the data and giving me some inferences directly. So take a look at the detailed explanation, the data and charts, okay, and the structure of the spreadsheet, table layout, additional notes in the spreadsheet, what you should pay attention to. This is the raw data that it has given, picked from the chart, from the image, and the key observations, calculated statistics, and so on. This is very, very much more detailed even than the way ChatGPT used to give its own analysis. See description of the charts, data series displayed, virtual trends in the chart, purpose and limitations, and then it gave a very, very direct and reasonable conclusions from the chart and data over here. So this is a very, very wonderful tool that can analyze your data very, very fast and with precision, effective precision. So you can copy and you can share with your friends directly, and you can do many other things from here, like you can report an issue or export this as a PDF if you're interested in exporting as a PDF. Let's add one more. I have another file. I have another piece of data that I think is going to be wonderful. This one, it's a bar chart also with some table. I can just ask it, can you explain this? Okay, so we can just hit and enter, and let's give it some seconds to see what this is going to give us. So this image shows a spreadsheet and an associated bar chart likely created in Microsoft Excel, and you can see the explanation, the detail, the data it is bringing it out, and then chart explanation and so on. So the key thing is effective data analysis, data assessment analysis, and inference, directly bringing out key insights that you can use. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.